Why do we yawn? Is it just because we're tired? Nope, science says it's way cooler than that. Yawning actually helps cool your brain. Taking a big breath of fresh air lowers your brain temperature and helps you think better. And guess what? Yawns are contagious. Seeing someone yawn tricks your brain into yawning too. It's like a secret handshake for humans. Plus, yawning boosts your alertness by pumping more oxygen and blood to your brain. So it's basically a free brain upgrade. Now try not to yawn. Bet you can't. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Follow KMR for more fun facts.